this is Brian from WinterGardenYoga with a yoga teacher tip for triangle. Triangle is one of the most recognized poses in all of Hatha yoga, and I want to show you a way that can help you integrate the legs more in order to get more stability in the pose as well as leg strengthening. Another benefit could be that it'll help with painful hyperextended knees, because there's a tendency for the knees to hyperextend in this pose. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. Hyperextended knees aren't necessarily bad, but if you find pain from your hyperextended knees, this may help alleviate that pain, okay? So step one is I'm just going to stand facing towards you. My right leg is pointing forward. My left leg is going to externally rotate slightly. There's a tiny little microscopic bend in my left knee, and I'm going to drag, I'm isometrically dragging my relaxed left foot towards my right foot. If I take my hand and feel behind my leg, I can feel my hamstring contracting. This is what we're shooting for. When your hamstrings contract, that means that your knee is at least trying to bend slightly. So hyperextended knees are when your knees are super, super straight. If you slightly bend your knees, then they're going to be slightly flexed, and that means you're using a muscle to manipulate that joint. That's just like the super simple way of explaining it. So now we try to progress this into a triangle pose. So I'll assume my triangle position, more or less, feet about 4 or 5 feet apart. Rear leg is internally rotated slightly. Front leg is externally rotated. But I'm going to put that tiny little bend in my knee, just like we did from that drill. I'm going to drag my relaxed foot towards my rear foot, and I feel for that hamstring contraction. Now once I've got that hamstring contraction, I'll set up my triangle pose. Front hand to front thigh, rear hand out to a T, push my hips to the side. But as you're doing this, as you're tipping to the side, make sure you keep that hamstring contraction. Don't worry about how far you go into your triangle pose. Concentrate more on that hamstring on your front leg. Stay firm, windmill up. Give that a try on both sides.